Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to the device's setup, troubleshooting and optimizing your tech experiences. In this video, we'll show you how to easily reset your Trifiboost Wi-Fi extender. Whether you're troubleshooting or need to start fresh, we'll guide you step by step through the process of restoring the extender to its factory settings. Follow along to quickly get your Wi-Fi extender back up and running. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you found this helpful. So firstly, we will discuss why is it necessary to reset the Trifiboost Wi-Fi extender. Resetting the Trifiboost Wi-Fi extender is necessary when you experience connection issues, forget the login credentials, or want to start fresh with a new network setup. A reset restores the device to its factory settings, clearing any previous configurations or errors. This helps resolve technical glitches and ensures that the extender can reconnect to your home Wi-Fi network smoothly. Let's start the reset process. Look for the reset button on your Trifiboost Wi-Fi extender. This button is typically small and recessed to prevent accidental resets. It is usually found on the back or bottom of the device. Ensure that the extender is plugged into a working power outlet and is powered on. The LED indicators on the front of the device should be lit, indicating that it is operational. If the extender is already experiencing issues, the LED lights might be flashing or showing different colors, which is an indication of problems that a reset can help resolve. Using the paperclip or pin, press and hold the reset button firmly. Keep the button pressed for about 10 to 15 seconds. During this time, you should observe the LED indicators on the extender. They may blink or change colors, which signals that the reset process is in motion. Important: ensure you hold the button down continuously throughout this duration. Releasing it too soon may not trigger the reset. After holding the button for the required time, release it. The extender will initiate a reboot process automatically. This may take a minute or two, during which the LED indicators may flash or turn off and back on. By following these steps, you can easily reset your Trifiboost Wi-Fi extender. But remember, once the Trifiboost Wi-Fi extender has finished rebooting, it will be restored to its factory default settings. You will need to reconfigure it by following the initial setup process, either through the web interface or the setup provided by Trifiboost. Now reset process is successfully complete. In case you face any type of difficulty, you are free to contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. Our experts team will always guide you. Thank you so much to watching our video. And lastly, don't forget to like, share and subscribe our your YouTube channel Devices Help and Support. Stay tuned for more updates.